Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here, surrounded by such talented people and industry professionals. So today we are diving into something truly transformative, the role of artificial intelligence and social trading platforms in shaping the future of forex trading. These are not just words. They are revolutionizing how we approach trading and decision making. So let's start with AI-driven trading. AI, once a futuristic concept, is now very much a reality of nowadays. Advanced AI algorithms can process vast amount of data, recognizing patterns and predicting market trends with remarkable accuracy. Whether it's analyzing market data, scanning news reports, or even reading social statements, AI provides traders with insights that were once impossible to achieve in such a short time. The benefits are clear. AI eliminates human biases, improves decision making, and optimizes trades. It's like having a highly efficient assistant who works 24/7, helping institutional and retail traders to enhance their performance. But let's not forget, AI is a tool, not a shortcut. So it would be best if you still had the knowledge, experience, and judgment to succeed. On the other hand, we have social trading platforms which are equally groundbreaking. These platforms have brought a new level of collaboration into trading world. They allow traders to follow and replicate the strategies of successful traders. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting, social trading opens up a world of shared knowledge and collective experience. This has democratized trading, making strategies and tools available to everyone, regardless of their experience level. Now, looking ahead to future innovations, the combination of AI and social trading is where the real magic happens. Imagine a platform where AI doesn't just predict market trends, but also analyzes traders' performance on social platforms, suggesting which traders you should follow based on your risks and on your goals. AI could help spot potential risks or scams, adding an extra layer of security to your trading decisions. We are already seeing an early integrations of AI and social trading. And as these technologies evolve, their potential is limitless. Predictive models will become more accurate. Strategies will be adjusted in real time by automated systems. And the overall trading experience will be more personalized than ever. The future of forex trading will be dynamic, inclusive, and resilient. In conclusion, AI and social trading platforms are not just tools, they are shaping the future of forex trading. They give us precision and speed of data-driven insights, the wisdom of collective strategies, and the promise of more innovative solutions. So I encourage each of you to embrace these technologies. The future of forex is happening now, and the opportunities are endless. Thank you very much.